Hey everyone, it's Rochelle and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you this bombshell blonde hair with some dark roots. Now, I posted a picture of this hairstyle on my Instagram and a lot of you guys were saying it was giving Pamela Anderson Lee vibes, very 90s. Guess what, you guys? So I was actually inspired by the 90s with this hairstyle. I was looking at some 90s haircuts, hairstyles, and I was very much inspired. And I did come across the Pamela Anderson Lee picture, and I was definitely inspired by her bangs. So this is the look I'm going for. Now, I'm not saying I look anything like her because it's quite obvious that I don't, but I was feeling this very 90s moment. Now, if you guys want to see more like 90s inspired, maybe 70s, 60s, comment down below, let me know, and I will definitely try and recreate some more looks for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so stay tuned for the tutorial. Alright, so let's get into this wig. The wig that I'm using today is from Xrsbeauty Hair, and I've never used their wig before. This is my first time using this wig, and I will definitely tell you guys to check out other hair reviews on the wig. I'm mainly focusing on coloring and styling this wig, and again, it is my first time using it, so make sure you check out other reviews on this hair. I will put all the hair info in the description box as well. So this is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. It comes with all the combs on the inside, which I don't like. I hate them because they literally like poke your head, but I always take mine out. So this is how the wig is looking on my head. She looks like, you know, basic, boring, but I'm gonna fix her up. As you can see from the intro, I'm gonna be going for a blonde bombshell hairdo today. So I'm keeping the hair blonde, and I just went in with a spray bottle of water, and I'm just wetting the roots of the hair before I do the actual roots. One of my subscribers mentioned this and said it would be a lot easier process when I'm doing the roots, so I'm trying this out. I do listen to your guys' feedback when it comes to me doing these hair videos, and I appreciate them. For the roots, I'm using a box dye. This is by Ions, and this one is the 6N Dark Blonde. I will put it in the description bar down below. I wanted a dark blonde shade of roots, so this is what the roots is looking like. Now I'm going to step off camera and wash it out, and this is what we are left with. I'm very happy with the colors. I mean, it's a little bit not perfect, but it's good. It's good. I can work with this. To tone the 613 hair, I went in with some purple Shimmer Lights conditioner. You can use a shampoo as well, but I find that the conditioner leaves the hair softer and not too dry. The shampoo dries it out a lot, you guys, so I use a conditioner, and I use the purple shampoo to get rid of that yellow color. So now we have more of a cool tone blonde. It's super easy. I just put it in some hot water. You guys see me doing this so many times, so that's why I didn't do it on camera. Anyways, I'm moving on to cutting the lace. So I'm cutting the ear tabs, is that what you call it, of the lace, and I'm gonna go ahead and lay my lace down, my wig, off camera. I do have a very detailed video on how I lay my wig. So my wig is on my head, you guys, and as you can see right now, my roots actually look a little darker. That's because I went back in and I darkened up the roots some more. I wish I didn't do that. I wish I had left it how it was, but the perfectionist in me said you need to darken these roots, but I didn't do a good job the second time, but whatever, we're just gonna ignore that. So I moved on to cutting the hair because I want shorter hair, and I'm gonna go in with my scissors and just snip away some of that inches because we don't need that. And then I'm gonna go in with a shearing comb, and I'm just gonna start creating some layers in this hair. I didn't know what hairstyle I had planned. I didn't know what I want to do. I just know I want something blonde, but then I was looking at some old pictures of Pamela Anderson Lee and just some old 90s hairstyles. So I wanted like this 90s bombshell hairstyle. So that's what we are going for today. And listen, I am not the best when it comes to cutting hair, but I'm using the shearing comb, and I find that is a lot easier to work with. I'm also creating like a side sweep bang, and again, the shearing comb was a lot easier to use than me using a scissors. I don't know why I don't use my shearing comb more often, but I was here for it. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with my flat iron. This is my smaller, I'm not sure what size this is, but I will link it in the description bar down below. And I'm just gonna start curling the hair away from my face, kind of creating a flip. Now I will say that with these ready-made wigs, they don't fit my head as well. I have a small head. I kind of prefer making my own wigs, but it does take a lot more time to do. And random, you guys, my background has changed. I changed my background. I always do that. I kind of want to make changes to it, but I don't know. Anyways, I'm just showing you guys the hairspray that I'm using. It's the Sebastian You know what? I don't know the rest of the name. I'll put it in the description box down below. Make sure you check it out. Yeah, so just curl the hair away from your face. And I find that with this hair, it curled really, really, really easy, you guys. Now, this is 613 hair. It's not the greatest, silkiest feeling. It does feel a tad bit dry, but it does curl really easy. I mean, most 613 hair, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be honest with you, they're not like the greatest because they are processed hair. And I don't believe that they are 100% human hair, but I'm gonna work with it. So I'm gonna go in with the front and just create that nice little side sweep bang, and then go in. Whew, girl, that hot comb burnt the heck out of me. Be careful when you use a hot comb, okay? Be careful. So for the bangs, I'm gonna curl it under. They are just a tad bit long, so I'm just gonna go around and play with it with my shearing comb some more and cut them shorter. And then for the top, I'm gonna do the same thing with the shearing comb and just go in and just cut it a bit more. I'm gonna go in with some hairspray just to hold those curls. And again, like I said, I'm just playing around with the bangs, trying to see how long I want them. I don't want them too short or too long. And then I'm gonna go in with my brush and just start brushing out this curl. I'm really, really loving this style. It just reminds me of like old school, early 90s bombshell hair, and I was living for this moment. I'm trying to fix, you know, my little mistakes that I made with the roots. But you know what? Once the hairstyle is done, it's actually starting to look like something. It's coming together. I'm here for it. This is probably going to be my last blonde look for a while because I haven't done anything fun and colorful in a while, and you know, the weather's getting nice. I want to do something fun and colorful. Comment down below, let me know what you guys want to see next. But yeah, this is it. This is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a big thumbs up if you do. Comment down below, let me know what you guys want to see next, and I will see you in another video very, very soon. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.